Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I look like a marshmallow right now because I'm wearing my big teddy coat. Right now it's 70 degrees, but to me that's still really cold. It was definitely chilly this morning, so I've been dressing for the weather lately. It's been pretty cold in Florida. This video is just gonna be a little week in my life, like a work week in my life. I do work full time, and I've never done one of these actually. I did start vlogging again recently, and I just haven't themed any of them to be like a work week in my life. So this is kind of going to be based around how my week goes when I work full time at 9 to 5. Right now I'm at Trader Joe's. I actually just left work for the day. It's like 5:28. So today I went in at 9 and I got off around 5. I kind of just get in around 8:39-ish and then leave between like 4:35. So sometimes I have later days that I have to work and just finish up some projects. I just want to pick up a few groceries. I am living at home. If you haven't seen any of my other vlogs, I moved back home after college, and I was just gonna pick up some stuff to possibly cook dinner this week. My parents have been cooking dinner a lot, but I like miss being on my own and like cooking myself dinner a lot, so I'm just gonna cook some of the stuff that I usually do for myself, for everyone obviously. So I just want to come here and get some of my essentials, and then I will be heading home. Plans for the week, well, tonight we're gonna watch The Bachelor, and tomorrow I'm probably gonna go to John's house, and he just got his gym membership, so we're probably gonna do that. I was hoping I could work out tonight on my own at home because I haven't worked out since like I started my job and before the holidays, so it's been since like October, which is terrible. So I was working out like every day in the summer leading up to like October, and then I just got so busy that I stopped. Going from doing it every day to nothing at all has been like terrible, and I just have no energy. I'm excited to start going to the gym with him. I haven't been in an actual gym since school, so it's crazy to even think about going back, but I'm super excited for that, and we'll see if I can fit it in tonight on my own. Probably not, but we'll see. I think my dad's actually cooking tonight. He was planning on making spaghetti, and I told him I'd just pick up stuff to make later in the week anyways. I do work downtown, so I love being right next to Trader Joe's. It's been great to be able to just stop here after work and pick up some stuff. It's been a few weeks since I've last shopped here, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm back from my Trader Joe's trip, and I got all the stuff. They actually didn't have like all the things I wanted to get, but worked with what they had. These are the best granola bars ever. Chocolate chip, chewy, coated. Balsamic glaze. Yeah, look what I got. Balsamic glaze. We like balsamic stuff. I'm excited. I don't know. I've seen it. It's like a it's like a thicker like chocolate hummus. Really good on. We still have strawberries, right? Yeah. I'm gonna put that on strawberries. Sweet potato fries. I haven't tried theirs before, but they look really good. And I already opened these in the car. You should try these. Do you like Takis, Dad? Rolled corn tortilla chips. They're kind of like Takis, chili and lime, but I think they're really good. Probably better than Takis. And I got a little mango smoothie, some limes. Oh, I was so excited to find these because my favorite snack is flips, and this is like their version of like chocolate covered pretzels, except these are dark chocolate, and I usually get milk. But I like these, so I think I might still like the milk better, but I usually like dark chocolate things more. So I want to try it. Chardonnay. I wanted to try this mushroom and black truffle flatbread because my friend Sydney actually got it and inspired me to try it. So I love mushroom, love truffle stuff. I was looking for like the mushroom medley that they had, but they didn't have it. Also the orange chicken they didn't have, so I just got this little bowl that I can take for lunch, and also a little spinach and cheese stuffed shell. So, yep. I actually got 2 boxes of granola bars because that's how good they are.
I think we all can agree that we wish we were on that date. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I'm actually about to get in bed. It's pretty early. I think it's not even 11 yet. It's 10:47, so almost 11 o'clock. I just want to get in bed kind of early because I mean I already took a shower and stuff. I was gonna go through some of my jewelry because I still haven't filled my jewelry box that I got for Christmas, but I've been waiting to go through. I'll show you guys all of my jewelries in one of these things. And I just want to go through it, and I'm probably going to get rid of like most of this because I've kept it in there for so long for like no reason at all, because I clearly don't wear any of it, so I think I can get rid of a lot of that. I'm breaking out so bad and I'm so upset about it. My skin has been super clear, but well, this one I just like annihilated last night. It was like one of those ones that's like under the skin and it's like so painful. and it definitely wasn't ready yet, but I like squeezed it so hard and tried to do something. So now it's pretty much a scab and hopefully it'll go away. And then I don't know what's going on over here, but my problem is I always pick at them, so it's probably not good for it, but I just can't stand it. And I think a lot of it is because the cold weather. I always break out in the winter, and I just, when my skin is dry, it's like that's what makes me break out. So hopefully this will go away soon, and I'm gonna go to bed now. I do have to be at work kind of early for a meeting. I have to make sure I'm there by 8:30. So I just want to get as much sleep as I can, and I've really been valuing like getting a lot of sleep lately. It's obviously a lot better for you, and I just want to make that a priority. Trying to get as much sleep as I can. So happy Tuesday. I'm about to leave for work. I wanted to wear something a little more like funky today. I guess it's still neutral. It's not really funky, but I usually just wear like a sweater and black jeans. But I wanted to wear this mesh kind of ruched. It's long sleeve with this like Sherpa on the inside, kind of like a tailored jacket. I think this was actually my sister's, but I thought it was just cute, giving kind of more like a blazer look. And black flared pants from, I think, Forever 21, and black booties. So I have my gym bag packed, so I'm going to take that to John's tonight, and hopefully we make it to the gym, but we'll see. Again, I probably won't vlog till I get off work, but I will pick it up then. Arrived at John's. Prepping our chicken to eat when we get back, because we're actually going to the gym. Who would have thought? Look, I got my shoes on, ready to go. So I just brought some clothes to change into after work. Going for all black look, I guess, with my white shoes. So I've not been to the gym in like literally since probably March, which is crazy. So excited to get back into it. Don't know how it's gonna go. Like I said earlier, I think I was working out a lot over the summer just at home, but I definitely have not done anything in a few months. So I think I might try doing like the 12-3-30, the like Lauren Geraldo like made up or whatever. I never have been big on walking. I really do like to run, but I get shin splints sometimes, so I'm hoping that maybe that will be good for me. But I also really want to spin because I miss having a bike, and I'm obviously gonna have one there, so I don't know, we'll see. John's wearing his leggings. Oh, you rolled them up. Before he had them all the way down and I said he looked like Peter Pan. On our Target run. I forgot to take any clips at the gym, but it's because I haven't been there in a while. Just trying to eat a little bit healthier. Besides the Oreos and the orange chicken on top. All of the vegetables are on the bottom, I promise. But yeah. Trying to get fit, right? Just got home from work. I know this morning it was just kind of like a little montage that I put together, just getting my stuff ready, and it's 6:30, so I worked a pretty long day today. We just have like a big event that we're having tomorrow that everyone's been preparing for, and yeah, it's just like everyone's had hands on deck, and we've been working really hard this whole week. I might have some time off at the end of the week since I've been staying late a couple days, and I actually have to be there early tomorrow at 7:30, so I usually come in around like 8:45, 9. So I have to be there quite a bit early tomorrow, but it's gonna be worth it because we're all really excited for this event we're having. Just kind of updating you guys since this is supposed to be a like work week themed week in my life. So I was planning on making dinner tonight, my little like chicken cilantro bowls that I make. My mom actually started it for me since I was a little bit late getting home, and I'm just gonna go help her finish that up. And I think John is coming over to have dinner, and then I actually have to work a little bit from home tonight, so I'm gonna be finishing up some stuff, but like I said, I'll be able to have some time off on Friday. John just left. I'm just putting away my computer and stuff. I was able to get quite a bit more work done. And I also, I don't know if you can see me, I also uploaded a video, my closet like makeover video, which I actually filmed a long time ago before I even got this camera, so it's actually really bad quality and filmed on my phone, but I still wanted to get it up even though it's like kind of dated at this point. And it's 10:46 and I'm just gonna get ready for bed, take a shower, because like I said, I have to get up pretty early tomorrow. I think I'm gonna try and be there around 7, so I'll probably get up around like 6. So I just got out of the shower, I brushed my teeth, and I don't know if you guys saw, but I put some self-tanner on my face. I do that like every once in a while. When I'm not doing like my full skincare routine, I'll just put a little bit of that on, and it helps just kind of give me some color, especially because I don't really wear foundation to work anymore. It just helps with that. And I'm just gonna put some of my clothes away, and I'm actually gonna lay out what I'm wearing tomorrow. Like I said, we do have an event, so I think I'm gonna like wear a blazer and be kind of like super profesh, so. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wear these, I always forget, houndstooth dress pants. They're from Zara. I've worn them a bunch of times already, I think in some of my other work vlogs, so I'm sure you've seen them before, but they're really cute and just like tailored kind of nice, so I like to wear these when I want to be a little more in business wear. And then I just have my black blazer. It's not oversized or anything. It's actually like really fitted, which isn't usually my favorite, but again, when I want to be more tailored, I will wear something like that. And I think I'm just gonna wear this black long sleeve shirt with it. I was trying to decide what shirt I wanted to wear underneath, and it's probably gonna be cold again. It's been super cold like every day. It's honestly terrible. I'll probably just, if I'm still cold, I'll wear a bigger jacket over that. I would think I'd want to wear flats with them. They're somewhere down there, but I mean, my heart wants to wear boots because my feet are really cold. I don't know how well that's gonna look, so I'll play around with shoes in the morning, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the route. I'm gonna get my pajamas and hop in bed, and again, I'm gonna be up bright and early, and hopefully tomorrow goes well, and I'll be able to pick up the vlog at some point, probably tomorrow after work. And I think I am going to John's house. We'll most likely go to the gym again, so I do have to make sure I pack some gym clothes. Yum, the spread tonight. Elf shirt. Got here and I actually took a nap. When did I get here? Like 4? So I got off a little bit early from work today. Sorry, the fan is probably wet. And yeah, I just took a nap on the couch. So we're about to have dinner. Gonna see if I even have motivation to go to the gym after, because that was our plan. Well, we were gonna go to the gym before we ate, but I fell asleep and he kind of got off work late, and I had to do some other stuff for the side design job that I do. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see after we eat, but dinner looks so yummy. Still on the health kick. See how long it lasts. Except today for lunch, I ate 3 croissants and a muffin for lunch, because we had food from our event left over, and I was like, can't go to waste. So, and they were the best croissants probably ever, but definitely not best thing. Yum. So I just wanted to end off with this vlog. It's Friday. I actually worked from home today since I only had like a few more hours left, and it was a lot of just like email work, so I was able to do that from home today. And I'm actually about to go to John's, and we're actually going to go to the gym tonight. I know I didn't wrap up the vlog yesterday because we didn't end up going to the gym. We just felt super lazy and I wanted to sit and watch a show. We were watching This Is Us because we haven't caught up with like the last season. So we just did that and actually ate cookies, which was like the opposite of going to the gym, but it's fine because we got to just spend that time together. And tonight we're going, so I'm gonna be heading there, and then that will probably be at the end of this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching this work week in my life. I hope you all enjoyed, and thanks for watching.